Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. I want to give you updates on my garden. Did you remember before that all my plants is eaten by the snails, seem like this? And I wonder why. Same seeds on this squash on the ground that's on the pot, but snail didn't attack on the one that's on the pot. So I just discovered that one of my things here in the house can prevent the snails eating all my plants. So I will try to put new plants here so that I can observe for how many nights. We will just plant this one, and now we will try if still the snails will eating this squash again. So I will put this one and use the one that I discovered that it's really help to avoid these snails. And I will get those things that I need to put surrounded on that squash seeds. So that here is all the rest of my new plant garden. This is spring onion, and I need to put some on here too, but importantly I need to put first on that squash so that I can observe. It's really helped me on my tomato too. So, and all this one I need to replant the Malabar spinach, which is known as alugbati. So, but this one snail will not like to eat this one, I don't know. So we will be back here. So what I can do for this one, for the snails, I have risal here. So as you know, when you can find this on the rice mill, you can buy this for 10 peso per sack. So I'm trying to put this surrounded all this part of this garden so that I can observe for how many nights. So this risal, I bought this to mix with the soil to replant all my vegetables and all my flowers too. So I'm using this one. I will spread all this one, like I'll put on both sides of my garden so that snails will not going to eat my plants, new plants, squash. So anyway, this one, maybe it's sharps for them, so when they crawl it, they don't like it. Same as the eggshell. When you use the eggshells too, it's help because when you crush all this eggshell, it's a little bit sharp on for them to curl in this one. So this is the best also for snail, but for me this time I will use the rice hull, and I will put this all for my plants. So, and I will observe this one for how many nights if the snails will not come in here. So we will just spread all this together here like this way. So I just put more so that sometimes if it's rain, it will covered with the mud, so it's better for me to put more on this one. And I will just put like this, then we will see if the snail will still go this plant I have. So in here for 4 nights I observed my squash is still there. So this kind of home remedies for the snails, it really helps a lot for those who have problem with the snails. So thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit likes and comments.